A third of all the world's reef fish live here. Some call it the Coral Triangle, the most diverse marine region on Earth. The variety here is dazzling, not just of coral, but of animals of all kinds. Few are stranger than the flamboyant cuttlefish. This is a male, just 5 centimetres long. Swimming against the current isn't easy when you're small. So instead, he prefers to walk very, very slowly. He's a master of camouflage. But right now, he wants to be noticed. He's looking for a mate. His potential partner is a giant by comparison, 4 times his size. When it comes to courtship, being flamboyant isn't enough. To win her over, he must dazzle. His aim is to deposit a packet of sperm inside her mouth. Close, but no cigar. He'll have to turn up the dazzle. Take 2. Bingo! His job is done. Now she must find somewhere to lay their eggs. An old shell will do nicely, if she can slip past the present occupant. She fastens her eggs to the underside of the shell, where they'll be safe from predators. The current that brings so much life to the Coral Triangle now washes the eggs with clean, oxygenated water. After just 3 weeks, they start to hatch. Smaller than a human fingernail, the hatchlings are now carried by the current to other parts of the reef. And in just a few months, this young male will be ready to find a female of his own.